JCs, welcome back to my channel. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share my videos so your friends can be part of the JC squad and help us reach 50 subscribers. Now let's get into the video. So, you know that the fidget toys, like fidget slash satisfying toys, are really popular on YouTube right now. Like, you've probably seen them everywhere. So today I will be showing you my satisfying fidget collection. So the first fidget toy I'll show you is my puppet. I just got this one today and it's so satisfying. Look. It has like so much noise. This one is like a noisy side, but like on the other side it's not actually that noisy. It's really fun. And on the back too, it's like that. And yeah, this is my puppet. I just got this today, so it's so fun for me. Okay, next. So the next like fidget slash satisfying toy is this like Rubik's Cube. That is not actually a Rubik's Cube, but you could like twist around and around. You could actually take them apart like this, and you can make like stuff with it. And this is just so cool, and this is so satisfying. So, the third satisfying toy I will show you is these like animals, but they're like actually a squishy. So I have this unicorn one and I have this like fox one. And look, it's so plushy, but you can actually squish them. And this is so cool. So, the last fidget slash satisfying toy I have is these 3 stress balls. I have a blue one, I have a pink one, and I have this like yellowish greenish one. And they all have Orbeez inside them. So, that is my fidget collection, and sorry it's not so much, but this is my satisfying fidget collection. And before you click off this video, be sure to subscribe, like, and share my videos so your friends can be part of the JC squad. I hope you have a good day or night, and if you have a great day, good or night. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.